Are you eating too much? Do you get food cravings? Do you have a weight problem? Today, more than 60% of the population are eating unnatural processed foods created in factories and processing mills around the world. Why is that so important? We're all blessed with a digestive system. It was created by nature to specifically process the foods created by nature. Logical, right? The trouble is, nature's foods are no longer our first choice. Instead, we reach out for manufactured products that are named food, but in no way resemble the foods your digestive system can process. So what happens to all the artificial foods and drinks you consume that your digestive system is unable to process? Your body has no choice but to convert them into body fat. Only your own body can create body fat, and only your own body can get rid of it. Body fat is the only fat that makes you fat. How fat you are is directly related to how many processed foods you eat. 50 years ago, it was normal to be slim and healthy. Today, it's normal to be fat and unhealthy. So how and when did this all happen? Nature didn't let us down. We did this to ourselves. We did it unknowingly, but we did it, and it has, so far, caused an obesity epidemic, diabetes type 2, morbid obesity, and a couple of diet-related cancers. But behind the deed was a brutal industry who wanted to own all our foods at any cost. They set up research facilities to produce formulas that would make a doughy yellow mixture transform into unlimited shape, sizes, and colors. They also created a chemical concoction that would make any of those substances irresistible. The only thing left was to spread their products as far and wide as possible. But they soon realized they had some obstacles. First, our ancient digestive system automatically rejected the impure substances that it did not recognize as foods. Second, we all had a basic instinct called intuitive eating. It guided us intuitively to choose the right foods our body needed. But the industry seemed to have no concern about our digestive system, despite the fact that the new substances were not only rejected, they were transformed into body fat. Our basic instinct, however, had to go, and they soon found a way to break it. So to come back to the number one concern, getting fat and ending up obese is something you need to understand. But you'll have a hard time getting the true answer. That's because till now, the answer is a carefully kept secret. You'll discover the awful truth about how an industry broke our basic instinct, intuitive eating, why they did it, and why it's such a big secret today. The information you'll find if you click my link below, you probably won't find anywhere else. Eating too much is not a natural human trait. When you can't stop or control your eating, you've become a victim of food addiction. No diet in the world can help you. That's why you don't want your kids to experience it. To prevent that, you need the truth about how to cure your addiction for good. Only then can you help your family do the same. Our traditional diet that kept us slim and healthy for centuries is gone. The food industry is busy taking control of the remnants of our natural foods. It's not too late. We can still activate our internal intuitive eating system, but the food industry will still fight us while they try to get control of the remaining natural foods in our supermarkets. Just remember, our natural foods are the real weight loss foods that nature designed for our body. Human beings do not adapt. We evolve. But we didn't evolve to eat fake, processed foods that make us fat. If you want to learn the real weight loss secrets, like how to stop overeating, how to stop food cravings, and how to overcome food addiction, this may be your only chance to learn how to never have to diet again. To learn more about the right foods, please click or copy the link below. Thank you.